Here's some ecosystem restoration trivia. Subscribe. What concept focuses on restoring ecosystem balance? Is it A, ecosystem restoration, B, climate change, C, urban development, or D, sustainable agriculture? The correct answer is A, ecosystem restoration. Which species was central to the rewilding movement? Is it A, cougars, B, wolves, C, elephants, or D, bison? The correct answer is B, wolves. What international agreement addresses biodiversity loss? Is it A, Paris Agreement, B, Convention on Biological Diversity, C, Helsinki Declaration, or D, Kyoto Protocol? The correct answer is B, Convention on Biological Diversity. What process involves planting trees to combat deforestation? Is it A, urbanization, B, deforestation, C, afforestation, or D, reforestation? The correct answer is C, afforestation. What theory advocates for ecosystem feedback loops? Is it A, environment stability, B, chaos theory, C, survival of the fittest, or D, resilience theory? The correct answer is D, resilience theory. What frequently occurs after a forest fire? Is it A, natural regeneration, B, urban development, C, immediate replanting, or D, desertification? The correct answer is A, natural regeneration. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.